Hey everyone, and welcome to this extremely chill, super relaxed nighttime clean with me video. Sometimes I'll get a lot of requests to do these because I know that a lot of people just like the chill nighttime cleaning. So I hope that if you have a space that you need to clean, that you'll get up and clean with me. Or if these are just super relaxing to you and you just want to sit back and relax, I hope that you grab some tea and you enjoy this video. I'm starting in the kitchen because I wanted to clean up right after dinner. I usually love to start in the kitchen because it just starts off everything so clean and nice and orderly. And I always start with cleaning off the countertops because it makes the biggest impact, and then I move on to dishes and bottle moms. I know I say this a lot, but bottle moms, you totally understand where I'm coming from with all of these bottles by the sink.
Be free with me.
For tonight's video, I chose some super relaxing music, so I'm gonna let it play a little bit more than I would normally throughout this video, but let me know in the comments if that's something you like. Do you like the chatty talking, or do you prefer more of just the cleaning music playing? Because I'm more of a talking type of chatty cleaning video type of person. I feel like I'm cleaning with a friend that way, but let me know in the comments what you guys prefer.
Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Be free. Be free with me.
At the time that this video is going up on my channel, it's the day after Thanksgiving. So what did you guys do? Let me know in the comments. Did you have a good Thanksgiving? Did you see your family, or did you keep it super mellow at home? You know that I love getting a peek into your guys' life, so just let me know in the comments.
Be free with me. Yeah, let's go. Be free with me. Oh, come on and let's go. Let's be free with me. Yeah, be free. Be free. Be free with me.
Now I'm gonna finish cleaning the countertops, and I had a couple of crumbs on the stove from dinner, so I'm gonna get those as well.
I would wait a lifetime if you were at sea. I just wanna say that I feel that our love is real. Maybe we should hurry up and seal the deal. Oh, oh.
Now I'm gonna move on to the kitchen table. I gave Kennedy some crackers before dinner while she was waiting, and she ended up tossing some of the crackers onto the kitchen table, so there were a bunch of crumbs all over, and she sometimes does that when she's done with her food. Let me know if your toddlers do that as well, because I'm pretty sure I'm not alone there.
This is rare, and I wanna take you there.
Now I'm just gonna do a quick tidy of the living room because I feel like it's so much more peaceful to walk out to in the morning when it's just nice and clean and tidy, because I sometimes get a little bit overwhelmed in the morning if I walk out to a mess just after I've been asleep. And on this night I did want to sanitize the couch too, because I've had the sniffles and Kennedy has too, so I just wanted to make sure that everything was going to be nice and clean so that Kennedy didn't end up getting sick again.
Oh, oh, I just wanna love you right. Oh, oh, love you till the end of time. I just wanna hold you for forever. Every day you're making me better, 'cause a love like this is rare.
I had a bunch of laundry to catch up on today, probably about 6 or 7 loads. The week that I was filming this hadn't been the best around here, so the laundry kind of went neglected, so I just decided to do a whole catch-up day. So if you have any laundry that needs folding, just go grab it and let's fold some laundry together.
Till the end of time, I just wanna hold you for forever. Every day you're making me better, 'cause a love like this is rare, and I wanna take you there. You could see yourself just sitting there on my chair. I'm staring at you, you don't even notice. Should've told you straight away, you don't have to be afraid.
I can't believe that it's almost 2022. I think I started my channel in February of 2021. And you guys have been so amazing and so supportive, so thank you so much for that. I totally plan on continuing on doing YouTube in 2022, so please let me know in the comments what videos you really want to see, because I love taking your suggestions and they're always so helpful when planning out videos, because I already know that you guys want to see them, so I don't have to worry about it. And that goes for any time as well. If you ever want to see me clean a specific thing, or you want to know how I clean something, just let me know in the comments, because I'm always incorporating your suggestions into my videos.
Hey, I wish I could show you more, 'cause baby you deserve some more.
Put that on camera.
Maybe take a minute to wear your so view real quick.
That's what I Should've told you straight away.
So that was Matt asking if he could take measurements of me for my Christmas present. I'm only a little bit concerned, and I'll keep you updated on it.
You know.
And kind of on the same note, what are you getting your kids for Christmas? Kennedy's first present just came and we're very excited about it, but I don't know if I should wrap it or not, because she's still, well, she's 16 months today, but she's only going to be 17 months on Christmas, so I don't know if it needs to be wrapped or not. And also we're debating giving it to her before Christmas, because it's just something that would make our lives a lot more convenient for her to be using right now as opposed to a little bit later, but I don't know, we're still deciding. Parents of toddlers, did you actually wrap your toddlers' Christmas presents their first or second Christmas? Just let me know in the comments. And finally, on the home stretch for laundry, last basket, it always feels like a victory lap. What have you guys been doing or watching today? A quick little announcement, there won't be any bonus video this Sunday. You know that I love doing bonus videos this time of year, but I am just going to take a few more days just to enjoy the holiday season with Kennedy and my family. So I'm just going to give myself a little bit of a break, but then we'll be right back to my regular uploads on Tuesday and Friday, and there will be a bonus video the following Sunday. And I hope you guys don't judge me too harshly. I am lip syncing to my song, so enjoy that. You know we keep it real around here.
Nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me. No, nothing can break me.
And as I continue to just rock out to my song over here, that actually reminds me, I love music so much, so if you have any suggestions, I'm like a big, like, all genres. I can usually find something that I love. So, and I'm always looking for new music to fall in love with too. So let me know what's your favorite song, because I will put it in a playlist and I will listen to it later.
I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down, feel alive.
I know I mentioned a little bit earlier how this was my laundry catch-up day. I don't normally do that. I'm normally pretty good at getting to it right away, but as I mentioned a little bit earlier too, this week was not the best for us here. But do you guys have a laundry schedule where you do it every single day, or do you wait till like the end of the week or every 2 weeks even and do all your laundry at once? Let me know. I usually like doing it when it comes up so that I don't get overwhelmed, but sometimes I like the whole laundry day thing because it can just be a nice relaxing way to spend the day.
Look at these beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this.
And just as a quick reminder, I have an entire cleaning motivation playlist that I'll link down below just in case you need a little bit more motivation. And if you haven't yet, please make sure that you hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications. And I will see you next time. Bye, beauties.